Yes, you can do it. Just watch the video as many times as you need it and practice, practice, practice. You can do it.
All right, this is other example of quadratics. So they say, which binomial is a factor of the following expression? Normally there are two factors, right? So one of the answers, they are looking for one of the answers, one of the factors. Okay, 2x squared plus x minus 1. The coefficient of x squared is not 1, so we are not going to use decimals straight. When it's 1, we can use just decimals, and the intersection of the graph on x-axis, the answers, the roots, right? I'm going to use grouping, quadratic by grouping. So I'm going to do the x here, and I'm going to multiply a and c. 2 times -1 is going to be -2, but I'll put it down on the bottom here, right? So this one is the multiplication of a and c, right? And on the top is going to be b. So this one is a, this one is b, and this one is c. Here is b. All right. Now, what are the factors of, okay, two numbers that I multiply is going to be -2, but when I add them, it's going to be b. That is going to be 1. So it's going to be 2 and -1. So now I'm going to rewrite the expression, right? It's expression because it has no equal, right? But in different ways. So a is going to be saying 2x squared, but the part of b, I'm going to write down 2x minus x, so plus 2x minus x, and the part of c identical, -1. Then I subdivide this one in 2, and I'm going to factorize left side and right side. Of left side, 2, common factor 2. X squared and x, common factor is going to be x. And inside, okay, 2 divided by 2 is going to be 1. x2 divided by x1 is going to be x1. Now plus 2 divided by 2 is going to be 1, and x divided by x is cancelled out, so it's 1. So the parenthesis is x plus 1. This is one of the answers, for sure. In the right side, I'm going to write down the same factor, right, x plus 1, and then try to figure out what is outside. So it's going to be -1. So, yes, because it's no common factor between x and -1. The only common factor is going to be -1, right? So then x minus and minus is going to be plus, x divided 1 is going to be x, minus and minus is going to be plus, 1 divided by 1 is going to be 1. So we suppose, yeah, x plus 1 is part of the answer. Now the other part of the answer is the outsiders, 2x minus 1. So the outsiders are this one and this one. Can you see it? So 2x minus 1. Now this is the two factors answer. Let's go check in the answers. Which one of these factors is the answer? So we have x plus 1, no. 2x minus 1, yes, is h. Awesome.
Well done.